Good morning, everyone.
Hey all, good morning.
Good morning, everyone.
Hi everyone, good morning.
Hi, good morning.
Anshuman.
Hi, all. Good morning.
Yeah, hi.
Anshuman, Keshava and team have not joined yet.
He's joining, yeah.
Good morning, Mohan.
Good morning, sir.
Hi, good morning, Keshva and Mohan, Raju.
Good morning.
Hi, Shesha. Hi, everybody. Yeah.
Yeah, good morning, Keshava.
Just,
So we'll start.
no. Just hold on. Just hold
Yeah.
on.
Some more
Just
people.
few other. Yeah. Just hold on. Hi, Mohan. Mohan, I would like to talk to you on that other thing. Maybe after this call, sometime.
Yes.
Just please hold on, please.
Sure.
Hi, Shira.
Hey, good morning. Hi.
Hey, can we pull in even Aditya also?
Yeah, we should.
Actually, I tried to ping him. I don't know. Is it doing?
He's online. I was chatting with him. Let me pull him.
Sure. And Shesha, Aditya, can you join the call? So, still your session has not started. No, you can join this. Join करो ना आधा घंटा है बस. So, Shesha, when you do this recording, right, you will get the recording. Please share it with me, please.
Yeah.
You are
Anshuman, you're recording, right?
Yeah, I'm
recording.
okay.
Yeah,
I will be
share the
sharing.
recording.
Yeah,
Yeah.
sure.
Yeah,
Okay.
please.
Go ahead, please. Start. We can start.
Okay, thank you. So I would like to further to our discussions, Keshava, I would like to discuss, I would like to today primarily demo what we have. And I just also wanted to introduce the team who worked on several automation projects for embedded and medical customers. So I have with me JK, who is the vice president, heads our products and technology group, JK. And then we have Sudharani, who will be showing the demo today. We have Pratima, who has managed large engagements in medical devices for embedded customers. And we also have, she has worked on also some of the opportunities, Keshava, that came from LTTS, including there was a Honeywell opportunity that came to us, but we didn't proceed forward. It was all about cameras and automation of cameras, positioning and all that, something similar to what we discussed. But that project, finally, LTTS decided to do it internally. Shriram is aware of that. We were ready to take over or get into that project. So these are the context, and also I have, I think from our end, Guru Prasad, with the SME, clinical SME plus medical devices SME, who has worked on several use cases related to gantry movements and all that, where it's a physical movement of devices. So that is the context. I just brought in the right kind of people into the call. Today we'll see what we can cover. And whatever questions we need to answer or more we want to engage, get more insights, we will take, I would rely on my team who is technical, Keshva, to what they need from the customer or what inputs they need to move forward in the direction you mentioned, right? Where we have to convince the customer of our capability, then move to a demonstrable POC or something like that. That's the context for everyone. So we'll quickly jump into the demo. So JK, you want to set the context and Sudharani can run through the demo. And this demo is using our product called AlgoQA.
Yeah, we will
JK, you
be
want to
starting
add?
with CT application demo, where the most of the use cases will start with patient creation and then selecting the exam card and then change the scan parameters. After that, go for scan, either manual scan, auto scan, and then verifying the data in the patient directory or results verification. These are the such test cases we automated for the CT application. We will start with CT, and then there are some edge cases, some advanced. We have a code bot that will be covered, and then we have AML capabilities where prompt engineering and then auto test case generation. These are some of the advanced features we have. So in 30, we have only another 20 minutes. So whatever we can cover, we will be covering. Please go ahead, Sudharan.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Yeah, I will share my screen. Is my screen visible?
Yes.
Yeah. So today I have taken the application CT desktop application and type is desktop automation using Python test complete. And capabilities, today I will be showing offline scenario recording and auto test case generation, code bot, as well as BDD scenario quality analysis and test case deduplication. And for the CT application, I have taken the scenario, verify the body perfusion, Helicon scan is successful and images are transferred to the local PAC. Yeah, I'll go to AlgoQA now. So this is the dashboard where we will be creating the project. So I'll give the name. And as AlgoQA support multiple type of automation. We can choose whichever type of automation we will be performing. Since I will be performing desktop automation, I'll choose desktop and I'll click on create. Yeah, if you click on the add first node, we'll be creating the node, like we can say page or screens of the application which is under test, and you can rename that as well. And we can go inside that and we can create the features. Like as we know that no application is made up of many features and which is made up of UI elements. In the like that, we can create the offline model here. We can give the feature name. Just give login. And you can give the control name. And you can specify the type by UI elements like text box, button. And you can, if it is a text box, you can specify the test data as well. And you can specify the locator for Python test complete. We have format like element colon and element name you have to specify and hash. Yeah, this format we can follow. And also if you want to add elements, you can just click on control and you can give the control name. And you can specify the type of UI elements and you can specify the custom data as well. And you can specify the locator. And also we know that feature will be having sub feature as well. We can create the sub feature as well. If you click on plus icon which is there in the feature, then it will create the sub feature. You can see here. Forgot password is inside login feature. And you can click on it. Again, you can create the controls over here. And if you wish to create another another feature, then you can click on plus icon. And you can see here. And you can click on that. Again, you can add the elements. So like that, we can create the nodes features. So this is all about offline model. So for this demo, I have created the project. Yeah. So here you can see that patient democracy is one page, and perfusion is another page, and complete tab is one page, and simulator is one page. So you can see the elements.
Here we automated some of the complex use cases like changing the GAN position. We automated both of different types of application. One is simulator as well as real-time scanner. Here, when we change the bend position, left, right, top, bottom, and then when we rotate, so we were able to verify the data using values values are captured. When we change the position left, right, the L value will be changed, R value will be changed. Accordingly, we're able to verify. Please proceed.
Yeah. Once offline model is ready, we can record the scenario. Just click on record scenario, and you can give the scenario name. And also you can specify the scenario outline. And click on plus icon. And in the same order of your test case, you just have to select the elements. Yeah, once we select the elements one by one in the sequence of your test case, then you can click on submit. And you can view the scenario as well in the test designs. You can see the scenarios just along with the steps. So actually this is the GWT test steps, and where it is written as given when then format. And it is a edit page where you will be able to edit as well. If you want to add the steps, you can add the steps by giving name, and you can change the control name, feature name as well. And you can edit the particular step as well, and you can duplicate the step. You can see here, and you can delete the step as well. So this is the one of the test design capability. And we have, as JK mentioned, that we have multiple test design capabilities like prompt engineering test cases. So I'll show to test cases. So where this feature includes, only you need to just select the features, and we have to tell a tool to generate the scenario out of these features. So I'll select the features one by one. So you can give proceed and generate. So here you can see that the scenario is ready. And we have, you can see here, entered is one action, selected is one action, and verify is another action. So we have multiple default actions here. and whichever suitable for the action, we can use that. There is a some some cases where we can't write the methods, predefined methods. That time, in that scenario, you need to write the custom actions. So for that, we have a code bot. So where you can give the prompt, like for example, so here you can see it. So you can use this code bot whenever we need to write the custom action. Yeah. And another feature we have is whenever you have a large number of test suite, or in case duplicate, if you wish to identify duplicate test cases or similarity range of test cases, we have that feature also, like I'll just show. So this will be helpful when you have large test cases, test suite. So we have test case deduplication. So if you wish to identify duplicate test cases, so it will provide the report as well. You can see. You can download this report as well. Yeah, here you can see number of test cases processed and number of duplicate test cases identified. You can see all, and you can see the graph as well. And you can see the table list of duplicate test cases and revised list of after removing the duplicates. Yeah. Also, we have similarity analysis. Like if you wish to identify, 30 to 50% of test cases which are similar, can give the similarity range as well. So here you can see. Yeah. So here you can see that list of duplicate test cases. And after removing the duplicates, you can see the revised test case as well. And you can see the similarity range, 40% to 80%. Yeah, is there any doubt?
Yeah, means not a doubt. So, see, my question here is, this is for the creation of the test case folder, something like that. That's all good. But my thing is, we want to also see whether you have any test case already done a test case, and how you have applied any AI engine or an automation into it. That is very interesting, because many times what happens is there will be repeatability, there will be kind of reusable assets also that we can use, which we have already done and we have forgotten. There will be hundreds of those things, right? So that
Okay.
one, and also any features that can add value for your test case. Maybe I may be doing this repetition of test case, which I want to reduce it down by 50% of efforts, right? So how is it going to, your algorithm is going to learn from that and then apply wherever that is necessary, at least in a similar kind of test cases, maybe in medical, maybe in anywhere else. So that is very, very, very interesting, because these things, it's good, but that will be really very interesting to see. If you have anything, please show me. Otherwise,
Yes,
it's fine.
one of the features Sudharani explained, shown, that is auto test case generation. There, all we have to give is high level feature information like patient demographics, exam card, scanner, like that, high level features. And then based on those features, the platform will generate the test cases. So initially, when we first time generate, it may not be accurate, maybe 80%, 90%. So we will edit the scenario, either add assertions or remove few steps or modify. Once we do those changes, the model background, there is LLM models are there. So model will be trained based on the what are the test cases we generate or create. And then next time when we use auto test case generation feature and then give the different features, so it will apply that learnings and then generate the optimal number of test cases accordingly.
So your guys who are working here or training here, whatever they're doing, right? Have they applied this AlgoShack using this our AlgoShack on our test cases and then reproducing similar kind of results as you stated?
Yes, I believe. I mean, the team used algoQA and then generated test cases. But only recently we have given the training on the advanced features, auto healing, and then prompt engineering, auto test case generation, code bot. Uh, do you have any idea when did we give this training, Sudharani? Do you have any idea?
No, sir. Ananya and Suchinta has given that training.
Okay.
Ananya knows it.
No,
Okay.
giving training is good.
Yeah.
Okay, and let them learn. What I'm telling is, so if you are going to bring in the existing test case scenario, for example, Mohan's team, some test case scenario that gets applied into your AlgoShack algorithm, right? And now you told that you have done an automation to relearn or apply
Yes.
your math on that and then provide me results which can reduce the efforts in 50%. So now if that is the case, can I look at that one? Means not here. Means I'm not expecting to you to tell here. Somebody is working here already, right? If we can myself or Sriram and all, we can go there and have a look at it. It's in Bangalore early, right? Because if these people are training, they should be already knowing how it can be done also.
Yes, yes. So here these models, whatever we are using, these are basic foundation models, and then these are applicable to only project level. We are not using any project data for different projects. So when we say model will be trained, so for that project, based on the test case generation, the model will be trained, and then that will be leveraged for the next set of test cases within that project. So we are not using we are not train the model globally, like the same.
Have you trained the model for any dumb data?
The models what we are using, those models are trained only for automation. These LLM models mostly, I mean, we are using LLM models hosted on the AWS Bedrock.
Agreed. I
Yeah.
agree with that point.
Yes. Yes.
But you will have certain dumb data which you can showcase it to any customer, right? Because selling the features to us really does not entice us, excite us. But actually executing it on a dumb data and then showing your features we'll get more knowledge. So we will understand what it means. Because here there is no dumb data. So that is what is a concern. That's all I wanted to say. Are these guys who are already there, if they can use our data, which is already available, and put it on this AlgoShack and then figure it out how it is, that would be really good actually.
Yes, yes, we can check. Maybe we can talk to your team and then see how many test cases they automated, and then when they try to generate new test cases, whether is it using that
Yeah,
learning,
please.
those things we can
That
check.
would
Yes.
that would really help because that will be the outcome, exact outcome what we would expect. So yeah, please go ahead. I don't know who is
Yeah.
that, Sudharani. Yeah.
Yeah. So this is, you can see the similarity range as well. Number of similar test cases
Have
identified
you
is.
generated a test case and test scripts and shown that, Sudharani?
Yes,
For the
I'm going
PT?
to show it now, sir.
JK also feature file quality.
Yeah, I will show that as well. Yeah, this is all about test case deduplication. And we have one more option. No, feature BDD scenario quality analysis. You can analyze your quality of the feature file as well. You can see here. well-defined, needs work, and required revision.
Yeah, the applicability of this is vast, this feature file quality. When you do migration for customers, they will have existing feature files that they want to take to some technology deprecated. So they want to take it to new technology. So this feature file quality will check the quality of the client feature files as well. And then whether it is suited for automation or not. So this report we can give to client and say, look, your feature file is good for migration or it is not up to the mark, which means that which will require additional services to get it done. So these utilities help in that context. Keshwa, Sriram, Mohan.
Understood. Yeah.
So you can see the category as well.
Sasha, one question on this feature file quality check, right? Are you using any auto heal feature here instead of telling that your files are not working? I can fix them on
Yes,
the fly and give you the latest
auto healing also is there. I don't know whether
for the
Sudharan is
feature files, not for the UI. I know for the
for the
objects you can
scripts.
change.
For the
I'm
scripts,
talking
it is
about
there.
yeah, feature file. Now what you are telling, when I go
Yeah.
to customer, we are telling them that most of your feature files won't work. They might be expecting
No,
how
it's
much
not
time you will
complete.
take to fix it.
Yeah, JK, you want to answer that? What you need if it is not proper?
They have to use a platform. Offline model has to be created to fix that. If the customer already having the existing feature file, then the tool will suggest what are the issues with the test cases. If you have to fix the issue, then it has to be, our offline model to be created with algoQA, and then the nodes, features, control, UI elements to be created. Then we'll be able to fix.
Okay.
Yeah,
And
just
the
to let you
previous
know,
one, what
Mohan,
you have
Mohan,
shown
just
on the
to let you
desktop.
know,
Yeah, go ahead, Sash.
recently one of our customers had 1,000 feature files, and they wanted to migrate from Protractor to WebDriver IO. So the entire automation, Mohan, was done in about 10 weeks. This is for a medical device Fortune customer.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Like JK mentioned, we used the feature file existing. We checked the feature file quality, then recreated that proper feature file using our platform, and then created the scripts out of it.
Okay.
Oh.
And the first demo, what you have shown on desktop, you are using test complete object recognition features, right? That's what
Yes, yes,
I could see.
yes.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, we have both Python Squish, Python Test Complete.
Yeah,
I
but
mean,
internally
WinRDriver,
you use the tools
IO.
for the object recognition
Yeah.
and going into subnodes, all those things, so that you'll get the object properties. Then you use them to build your scripts.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah. Shall I proceed?
Yeah, go ahead. Sujal. We just have, I think, few minutes for completion.
As I told, this feature will be helpful when we have large test cases. That's why I came to this project. I'll just go to my original project. So once we design the test cases, we can select whichever test case or a feature you want to generate the test cases. So you can see the feature file. And before generating the test scripts, you can go to settings, and in the script generation settings, you can have the technology like language, framework. As Sesha mentioned that, Python supports Python Squish, Python test complete. You can select the, framework as well as language, and you can update, and then you can go to test case and you can generate the test scripts. Yes. And once you download it locally, you can execute your scripts on your application. Since this is the client application, I don't have application in my desktop. So I'll show the report. You can see the report. This.
This is a custom report we generated on top of test complete. By default, test complete will generate the HTML format. So we customize to generate a Word report. Based on the requirement, we'll be able to generate PDF, HTML, JSON, different types of reports.
When you generate this report, did you use customer template so that you can submit to their document control
Yes.
system?
This requirement came from the customer. They have some specific format for the QMS. So for validation purpose, accordingly, we have generated this report.
Okay.
Yeah. Got it. Yeah. Is there any doubts?
And when you generate this report, are you not tying it to requirements? That may be one of the requirements from customer, right? Because your report should have a traceability also. Was it not a ask or you didn't look at it?
It is there. Requirements will be usually that requirements will be added in the tags as part of scenario outline, and then tags it will be there. Accordingly, when we generate the test case and the test scripts, the tags will be added, and then when we execute and generate report, it will be appended.
Yeah, and everything is reviewed by customer Mohan, and then we upload it to their Git or PR process. We follow customer PR process. Then it goes to the merge to the main branch and things like that. So many of the things follow customer process in the respective customers.
Okay. Yeah, my other question is I see desktop, web, all those things, right? There are many things available off the shelf now. Do you, what our interest will be? If you can show some videos or something on devices, right? You know, Sesha, even last time when we discussed, we tried with BK, but day by day our need is on the devices, and there are also complex devices, right? Class 2, class 3.
Yeah, so we are
So
working
we
with
might need to look at it. Yeah.
yeah, we are working with your team. In fact, Lakyajit and a couple of people in S1 brand. Mysore, 7 users. We will have a workshop with them. We finished a workshop with your team, and we also presented to a larger team, including person like Jayant. He had a lot of questions yesterday. Through Lakyajit and team, and they have said they will give some use cases to Lakyajit for their respective projects. That includes desktop or devices, I'm assuming. So we are coordinating and supporting the core team that you have, that Sriram and Aditya created. For the 10 users now we have Mohan. So we have 7 users in Mysore and 3 users here. Bangalore, we are extremely well engaged with the 3 users. But Mysore, some of the users have gotten, Sriram and Aditya are aware. After our training, they are busy with the projects. So they are not available for us or for you. So that is the problem. We can fix it.
Yeah, let us
So that we can.
discuss more and see how we can showcase the capabilities on devices. That is
Yeah,
definitely
that is
an
what
area of interest.
absolutely. That's what we want to do. That's why we are planning a visit to Mysore, and our customer success team who is working with the Ananya, who is working with the team here and training them. And we'll also supporting their POCs. Whatever POCs they pick up, we are supporting. So the same model we will continue for users for multiple internal customers you may have. So we will support your team to take care of whatever, including Mohan. In some cases, we are we are giving basic training also on tools like JMeter. I think there are two things, Mohan, when you come to this. One is they should know the technology, that is Squish or Test Complete. It is not nothing got to do with AlgoShack or AlgoQA. It's a industry standard or third-party technologies that are available. It is like Squish or Test Complete or JMeter that is used extensively for automation. So once the team is proficient with that, then next level they can generate and debug and everything. So right now, some of the team members are not proficient with the basic technology more. That's where we are. Just to let you know the reality. Yeah. Whereas our team is quite proficient with all these platforms, third-party platforms, whether it's Squish, WinApp Driver, Fly UI, Coded UI, WebDriver IO, Selenium, all that, because we do that only as a business. So.
Yeah, no, we'll discuss more on the tools. I have different idea, right? Because I want people to know the scripting. Tool is something we can train them within 1 or 2 weeks, but
So
if they don't have
scripting is not much needed, Mohan. Now we have CodeBot.
Okay, for you.
CodeBot,
Okay.
But earlier we used to have to write custom method, which used to take more time with our platform. Now we have introduced CodeBot, whereby engineers, even with lower skills, can quickly use the CodeBot to write complex custom methods for the given application.
So that current team is trained on this, Sesha, like the 7 or 10 people team.
No. The team, 3 people in Bangalore are trained. Mysore people, we are not getting access
Do
to
you
those
have
people.
those names, Aditya? Who are those 3 people that got trained?
Lakyajit, Lakyajit is one person, and then Ganesh, I think. Ganesh and one more person. I think Bhavana, one girl.
Yes.
Bhavana. Okay, Bhavana.
3
Okay,
people.
got it. 3 people. Okay. Sure, we will talk to them also. Then let us discuss more on this session.
Sure, great. And we can organize more demos like this with Keshwa and you and Shriram. When we do something specific on your POC or help you with your team, then your team itself can give the demo. We can also join, give inputs on how we helped in the platform.
Sure, we'll do that.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you, JK. Thank you, everyone, for your time.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Bye.
Yeah, Anshuman, send the recording, okay?
Yeah, sure. I will do that.
Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.